Privata isn't trying to replace Revit, ACC, or BIM workflows. It fixes the collaboration, control, and data ownership gaps that AEC firms live with every day.
Think of it as the secure collaboration layer around Revit, ensuring your project data is always organized and protected. First, Privata provides one secure source of truth. No more which version is correct chaos. Everyone knows where the authoritative files live. Privata works with Revit, not against it. Models stay where performance is best, whether on a VDI, private cloud, or workstation. Privata manages the collaboration artifacts around the model, keeping Revit fast and your collaboration clean. When collaborating externally, you never lose control. Privata allows for granular, time-limited access with full audit trails. For distributed teams, Privata shines. Whether you are remote or hybrid, you get the same consistent performance without VPN gymnastics. Most pain happens around the model, in the PDFs and red lines. Privata enables inline comments and side-by-side comparisons for clear accountability. Finally, data ownership and compliance. With Privata, your data stays yours. You control where it lives and who accesses it. Modernize IT, build what's next. Visit us at Advance2000.com to secure your AEC workflows today.